Hello, my dear friends. I hope all of you are having great time being with your parents at home, being with your elders at home. I would like to take some time of yours today and give you some insights on the importance of research. Okay. You would have heard this word quite a few times. Okay, you would have heard this word at your labs. You would have heard this word in your classrooms from your faculty. Many a places we keep hearing about this word called research. Now we all understood how crucial that is in this pandemic lockdown situation. Okay, the whole world is now into the research to find out a vaccine for coronavirus. Okay, that's how crucial research has become. Okay, till date, you would have also observed uh, that when it comes to PhDs, the number of people who complete PhDs are very less in count as compared to the usual faculty count that you have, or the percentage of PhD scholars, or the percentage of people who have completed the PhDs is a very little or a minute percentage in the entire faculty of a given college. Okay, so not that everybody is not interested in completing a PhD, but PhD is not everybody's cup of tea. Okay, it takes a lot of efforts in research for one to complete their PhD. So that's how crucial research is. Okay, research plays that vital a role. So each one of you should try to understand that it's all about researching on a given component, bringing out a solution to a problem, and developing your problem solving skills that will make you better than your friends in the same class or in the same branch. Now, when we are all in this lockdown situation, okay, we all have good time with us to make some quality work. Okay, so I have an appeal to all my college students, be it with the engineering or the pharma. Okay, now that we have certain essential services shops open, okay, we get some hardware outside, we get some electrical equipment also outside, we get most of the things are available now. Okay, most of the things that are needed at house are available to us at from 6 in the morning to 10 in the morning. Okay, so take this time out of your day and try to do something that is qualitative. Okay, for example, when I say qualitative, try to do a working prototype which may or may not be linked to your branch. Okay, but try to do something which is a working model or a working prototype that can be showcased as a project once the colleges or the lockdown is uplifted or colleges reopen. For example, I'll give you a couple of examples. Okay, if you're a triple student, okay, let's try to think how different can we do. For example, if you're a triple student and I don't know most if you're aware of those days 15-20 years ago, we used to have TVs, okay, wherein the channels used to be changed with the press of a button, and now you have a remote button. Now you have a remote control where using a remote control you can change the channels in a TV. Now think of being at home, if there is a possibility that you can turn on the fans or the lights at your home using a remote control. Why can we not do it? When the same switch has worked in a TV to change channels, why can not the switch on the switchboard at your house be used or be controlled through a remote control? Try to think about a sensor that's being either put in the switchboard or put in the fans that can turn on the fan with a press of button in the remote control. Or if you're a CS student, okay, if you're a CS student, think of developing a small mobile app, okay, and that can be downloaded or circulated across to all your friends group, and the app should be able to sense somebody coughing or sneezing, and that should be able to send an alert to your other friends who are using the same app, so that you know that your friend of yours or friend of yours is sick and you can go and attend them. So don't worry about the UI and the UX of the apps, anything at this point of time. Only try to put in some ideas. Understand, friends, everything has started with an idea. Okay, if Infosys is an Infosys today, it's because of an idea. If Microsoft is a Microsoft today, it's because of an idea. If Apple is an Apple today, it's because of an idea. So try to bring in some innovative ideas. It doesn't have to, your projects don't have to be so big. Okay, your projects can be smaller but helpful, smaller but easy to make, smaller but done with the minimum available things for us. Okay, so try to put in all these kind of innovative ideas and develop some working models for the basic amenities that are available to us in this lockdown period, and showcase it to your HODs and the principals, and see to it that you share these experiences with other friends of yours. Let's utilize this lockdown time to be the best quality time for us, which is something that we would never get it down the line. Okay, so once again I appeal all my students to spend the time that is available to you in a very qualitative manner, and try to bring in the best out of you. Try to do something which nobody else can do. Okay, prove to be the outstanding student among your branch. Let's not talk about the percentages in your academics, but your work or your prototype should be so outstanding that you be the odd man out in the entire branch. So I look forward to many of the working prototypes from each one of you across all the departments of that we have, triple E, CSE, EC, mechanical, whatever department you might be belonging to. So I request all of you to take this up as a project, take this appeal a bit serious, and see to it that you'll work and showcase some working prototypes as soon as the colleges reopen. Thank you very much, boys and girls. Have a nice day.